Welcome to Security Demand Forecasting as part of the BEONTRA Community Tools. If you access this video directly on YouTube, visit community.beontra.com to access the BEONTRA Community Tools. The Community Tools are completely free, and no user or account creation is required. This video will walk you through the main steps and considerations for creating a security demand forecast. The user guide text below provides additional information on file formats and sample files. Now, how to create a security demand forecast, and how does our tool help you to do that? Let me first provide you with an overview. The tool provides a very easy-to-use way to match your schedule forecast with passenger show-up profiles to derive passenger demand curves, total and per flight, for your forecasted timeframe. In addition to the passenger demand curve, we provide you with a lane demand suggestion as well. Watch the remaining video to learn more. The forecast workflow consists of a 4-step process. Only the first and last steps are mandatory. Once you have provided a schedule file in the first step, you can use the steps to flexibly navigate through the process. But let us start from the beginning. The only mandatory input is a flight schedule for the time frame you want to forecast your security demand. Ideally, you have a passenger forecast for each flight in your schedule and you include the expected number of local passengers as a column in your schedule file. If you can only provide seat capacity information as part of your schedule, you can specify an average seat load factor and we will calculate the passenger number. The forecast date range is a filter that allows you to easily select the time frame you want to forecast even if your schedule contains a larger time frame, for example a complete season. Selecting a schedule file is mandatory. The forecast date range filter and seat load factor input are optional parameters to assist you if needed. Complete the first step by clicking Next. In the second step you can provide passenger show-up profile data, if available to you. If you have no show-up profile data available, we have a generic default in place for you. The required format can be derived from the sample file provided. The time intervals in the first column can be chosen flexibly. To define which flight qualifies for which show-up profile we support 2 criteria, time of day or flight number. Time of day is the default option. If you want to change the time of day intervals, just download the sample file and adjust it to your needs. The column headers define the intervals and you can add and remove columns flexibly. Just make sure you cover the whole day. Flight number is the advanced option and typically requires the availability of data from boarding card scans or similar. If this is available to you, this option is great for increasing forecast accuracy. Make sure to add an others column as a fallback, just in case a flight number in the schedule might not be covered in the show-up profile file. Complete or skip the second step by clicking Next. Step 3 is all about suggesting the number of security lanes needed to process the forecasted passengers within given service level limits. If you are interested in this output, please specify the average time needed to process one passenger as well as the maximum time a passenger should be waiting in the queue at your airport's security checkpoint. Complete or skip the third step by clicking Next. Step 4 provides you with an overview of your forecast input and parameters and asks you to provide a quick check before starting the forecast. Once the calculation is finished, you will have the option to download 3 separate sets of result data. The per-flight forecast, which offers great flexibility to carry out further analysis, for example in Excel. The grouped forecast provides the overall passenger demand curve data as well as the lane suggestion, which provides both passenger demand and lane suggestion on an hourly level. The chart and its zoom option offer a great first glimpse into the data. To end this video, we want to provide some additional insights into the result data. As mentioned already, a quick look into the per-flight forecast shows that we keep additional columns from the schedule file. This allows flexible analysis of the passenger demand results broken down by any of the provided fields, like flight type for example. The lane suggestion on the other hand is still a beta version. We use queuing theory models here which provide a basic level of simulation. That allows us to include average and maximum waiting times in the results. It is important to note that we are currently deriving the lane suggestion for every hour independently, and we are not taking the passengers not processed in the previous interval into account. With the information in the results, you can apply your own rules on top of the results provided by the tool. We hope you enjoy using the first of our BEONTRA Community Tools. If you would like to share your thoughts on the tool or are interested in our powerful subscription solutions, please reach out to us via the contact form on our website beontra.com.